Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. Today we will be discussing our another important topic, that is financial planning versus financial management, which is a very important topic for class 12th. Okay, but before we move on to this topic, I would request you all to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep yourself updated with the videos. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So initially I will be explaining you what actually financial planning is, right? So financial planning is, keep one thing in your mind, when we are talking about financial planning, at that point of time your company is not having funds, okay? This concept is, for better clarity. So now suppose for example your company is not having funds, thereby the financial planning concept comes into the picture, right? So now you have to estimate what is the capital requirement. अब आपकी कंपनी के पास पैसा नहीं है, आपको estimate करना है कि capital आएगा कहाँ से. One thing which is you have to estimate the sources of funds. Second, you have to estimate the capital requirements. That means first I told you पैसा कहाँ से आएगा, second I told you कितना आएगा. Okay, and determines its composition. Composition can be anything, whether you want your funds to be from debt or equity. Okay, so that is what actually financial planning is. So as I already mentioned, for a better clarity, keep one thing in mind: your company is not having funds at that point of time, so you have to determine from where the funds would come. Okay, you have to determine the composition, you have to specify the sources of funds. To understand it in a more better way, so there are three questions which have to be asked. Okay, first question would be how much funds are required. Clear? Second, methods for meeting requirement. Now what are the methods? That means it is determining the composition. Now you are raising funds, so you have to determine the composition of the funds. Okay, that is another aspect of financial planning. Next is, now you have to utilize them in a best manner. अभी पहले I told you आपकी कंपनी के पास funds नहीं है, लेकिन when we are asking these questions to the firm or the business, now you have decided everything. इतना पैसा आएगा, यहाँ से आएगा, इतना डेट होगा, इतना इक्विटी होगा. But now the most important aspect of financial planning is, now you have to utilize them in the best manner. Okay, this is what we actually mean by financial planning. I hope financial planning is clear. Taking up the financial management part. Now financial management ka, if you want detailed video, I have already posted it. Okay, I'll put the link in the description box and you can go with that video, because I've explained financial management in detail there. Okay, but yes, to give you an overview again with the financial management. So financial management is, now your organization is having funds, right? Now you have to, actually now you have to manage the flow of funds. पैसा आ गया, अब उसको लगाना किधर किधर है. Okay, so these are the three decisions which I talked in my previous video also. That would be investment decisions. Okay, then you have another financing decisions. So there are three sorts of decisions which you have to deal with. अब पैसा आ गया, maximum utilize करना है, but कुछ decisions भी लेने हैं. Okay, that is what is known as financial मैनेजमेंट. ओके, अभी आई ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट का जो बेसिक टारगेट होता है, जो उसका बेसिक एम होता है, दैट इज यू हैव टू मैक्सिमाइज द शेयर होल्डर्स वेल्थ. I explained you in the previous video that the funds which your organization is using is not your fund. It is what shareholders have invested in your organization, right? So when you have that funds, you have to manage that finance. That is what. So clearly the meaning is there in the name itself. Financial management. Manage the finance. Now from where that finance has come? That has come from the shareholders, right? I hope financial management is also clear. Moving to the clear difference between financial planning and financial management. Now, financial planning is a subset of financial management. Okay, that is why it's mentioned in the last point that financial planning is narrow, right? And financial management is wide. Because financial planning is narrow because at that time you were just estimating कि पैसा कितना चाहिए है. You were estimating the fund requirement, right? Now you were specifying what are the sources of funds, and you also have to decide how you are going to utilize them in the most efficient manner. That is what is known as financial planning. आपके पास पहले पैसा नहीं था, आपने सोचा आएगा किधर से, जब आ गया तो आपको डिसाइड करना हाउ यू गोना इन्वेस्ट इट और हाउ यू गोना यूटिलाइज इट. ओके, नाउ सो फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग हम इसलिए करते हैं बिकॉज वी वांट टू इंश्योर अगर राइट टाइम आएगा या इफ देयर इज अ सॉर्ट ऑफ डिफिकल्टी, नो यू हैव टू इंश्योर दैट इनफ फंड्स होने चाहिए, right? That is what is meant by financial planning. Moving to the financial management part, it is concerned with managing the flow of funds. Now your organization is having funds. You are concerned with how you have to manage the flow of funds, okay? And also you have to deal with the decisions that might be regarding the procurement of funds and investment of funds. पैसा आएगा कहाँ से, उससे related decision लेना. So decision is a broader aspect. Am I right? Decision is a broader aspect which also deals with procurement and investment. Therefore, the aim of financial management is to maximize shareholders' funds, and henceforth it is wider in scope. I hope the difference is very clear to you. So guys, thanks a lot for your time, and for more videos, please subscribe, like and share Inspiring Minds. Thank you guys.